Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Govee LED Lights app. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. While Govee Outdoor Lights, the perfect solution for outdoor lighting needs. Govee is one of the leading brands for smart home lighting, offering a range of innovative products designed to make your life smarter. Govee Outdoor Lights are the perfect solution for any outdoor lighting needs, offering features such as automatic timer, which you can set up through your Govee Home app, and how to set up Govee outdoor lights with the timer functionality. Setting up timer for your Govee outdoor lights is a pretty straightforward process. First, make sure you have Govee Home app downloaded on your mobile device and have connected your outdoor lights to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected to the app, you can access the timer settings and customize your lighting schedule to meet your needs. Do you need lighting when you come home from work? What about before hosting a family get together? Set the timer in advance and save the guesswork. So Google Light app provide you the many facilities which reduce your hassle and save your time. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.